A 14-year-old girl working as a domestic help was rescued from the closet of a businessman based in Gurgaon, joining Delhi. The minor domestic help was subjected to inhumane torture by her employer. The girl, who hails from Jharkhand, was allegedly starved, brutally assaulted, stabbed and held captive inside a cupboard. The police have arrested the accused businessman, Sahil Jain. The victim was found with stab and baton wounds on her body. There were also deep gashes on her neck. An NGO which helped the cops rescue the minor girl said the girl's legs were swollen and she had injury marks near her eyes. The girl was found inside the cupboard in an unconscious state. The police, who had earlier carried out an unsuccessful raid to rescue the girl, believe she was dumped inside the closet to hide her from the rescuers.
बच्चे संभालती थी और दो बच्चे को मेरे को बच्चे संभालने के लिए दिए थे, काम करने नहीं दिए थे।
काम नहीं करने के लिए
मना किए थे।
क्यों मारती क्यों थी? किस कारण से? कि बच्चे नहीं संभाल पाते थे या क्या रीजन था उसमें?
वो बोल रही थी बच्चे आप मेरे को पसंद नहीं थे, बोल रहे थे। झाड़ू से मारती थी, वाइपर का डंडा से मारती थी, बाल्टी से मारती थी, घर को बंद करके जा रहे थे, लॉक करके जा रहे थे।
अच्छा, कई बार तो घर को बंद कर दिया जाता था।
हाँ।
जब पुलिस आई तो आपको कहाँ पे बंद कर दिया गया?
मेरे को पुलिस आई थी, तलवार में छिपा रखे थे।
इसको बेसिकली मारा पीटा जाता था और शायद कभी कोई आता होगा तो अंदर छिपा देते होंगे। जैसे आज भी पहली बार राउंड में पुलिस गई तो वहाँ नहीं मिली, सेकेंड राउंड में अलमीरे के पीछे मिली। ये ऐसा होता है कि जब भी आप डोमेस्टिक मेड्स की रेस्क्यू के लिए जाएंगे, कहीं ना कहीं छिपा दिया जाता है या कहीं ना कहीं हटा दिया जाता है लड़की को। मुझे लगता है कि ये पूरी ऑर्गेनाइज रैकेट, चाहे एम्प्लॉयर हो चाहे कोई लाने वाला हो, सबके खिलाफ में एक्शन होना चाहिए।
Atir Khan, Deputy Editor, is now joining us live for more on this story. Atir, horror that this girl has gone through, there are no words to describe that. What is the action that the police is taking against this couple, and also are they looking for some sort of a middleman or the person who in fact left this girl at this businessman's place?
Well, absolutely. It's a shocking incident which has been reported. This 14-year-old child came to Delhi 1.5 years ago, Ankit, and she was working somewhere in Delhi before she started working with this couple. Now, they have little children whom and that is why they had brought her through some placement agency, but she, being the minor, was taking care of those two children. But the problem was that the lady who had hired was very rude to her. This is what the police is saying, and she was beaten up with sticks. Often she was not given food to eat. These are the allegations of the child which she has revealed to the police. Now, yesterday when the police went there, the lady tried to deceive police, and the little child was put inside the cupboard, and thereafter the neighbors informed police again, and police went with Shakti Wahini and NGO, and thereafter the child was sort of recovered from there and taken to the child home. Now, police have registered a case of harassment, threatening, and there are other sections also which have been slapped. Her husband has been arrested, but she's still absconding. The police is making efforts to nab her and record a statement. Ankit?
Atir, what about the sections that the police have booked them under?
You see, basically the sections pertain to illegal detention, threatening, harassment. These are, basically the sections. But then the police will have to also look into the role of the placement agency. How is it that a minor girl was, handed over to this family to work as child labor? So that's another angle which the police is yet to look into. Ankit?
Thank you so much, Atir, for bringing us all those details from this shocking story coming in from Gurgaon.